Ba investor barikuza kuombeka ekya Kenya muri Mbara babugana n'enganzi y'ihangaro binana banje mu office ye Kampala kandi bahamye ko barikuza kutaho ekyayi cyo mutindo gwensi yona. Bamubishane bitirwe nibyoreka ngo Mbara International Airport neza kuba neshana Dubai Doha nebishahe bindi ebyaharengwa rwahigura munonga.
A big company known as Base 7 to establish a mega international airport at Nyakisharara in Mbarara, and we are here to make sure that this project moves. We have investors who are interested in making Uganda a transit route.
Okujira hari Chief Executive Officer wa B7 Eddie Kasitu ekyayi kyanyonyechi nikija kuba nikicabaza abantu okuza munsi nka China, Brazil muri America y'amashuma okwenda kutebya obushobozi ebyaharengo rwensi yona.
This project is only a transit route that we're trying to create. We're trying to facilitate a transit route, and on assumption that we had this even 2 weeks ago, then you would have seen tremendous inflows of flights because of what is happening in the United Arab Emirates. And it is also evident that there's no alternative route if this was to carry on.
At and around the government airdrome of Nyakisharara near Mbarara. Using Nyakisharara as a nucleus, they intend to build a mega international airport in that area.
Obwahat company ji eriyo nerondi taka erukwingana square miles za binemwe omuri Nyakisharara mu rurembo rwa Mbarara nuko murimo gutandike.
First request is that we put in place a mechanism in which we engage with the relevant ministries and departments to formulate the formative steps of carrying out the project.
Wameya w'ururembo rwa Mbarara Robert Kachebezi yagamba urukiko rwabarumu Attorney General Chiryo wa Chiwanka ngo abantu ba Mbarara City nibaza kushemererwa munonga ekyahe cyatandika kuombekwa kandi ngo bakirinzire.
The news from Mbarara right now, for them, they are waiting for me to go and say they are starting next week. The excitement and anxiety about this project is high. And when the president himself was in Boma making campaign on his campaign day, he promised people that he's going to put a mega international airport.
Of local government, Minister of Works is here. And then we get that mega project. To me, we have no loss at all as a country.
Ekyahe kya Mbarara City nikiza kuba ekyakashatu mu ihanga ogwishirkwegita ahari Entebbe International Airport hamwe na Kabarega International Airport ya Hoima. Gasha kwa Thomas Tumwebaze.